start with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, beneficial, honorable, principal, respectful teacher. Good morning, good evening, and Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I am here to deliver my presentation. I worship Gelot from class 7th, and today is our presentation day, and my presentation topic is an important role of student in schools. First of all, title an important role of student in school. And my second number point. My first number of point is subtitle. How student contribute to the better school environment. And my second number point is interactions. School are not just learning, and student have good communications. And my third number point is academy responsibilities. Attend classes regularly and learn new things. Complete assignment and homework, and learn study for exams. Practice and make new activities for students. Discuss about in group, and discipline of behavior. Follow students rules. Follow school and students rules, and respect teachers. Maintain a positively behavior and attitude toward learning, and be kind and respectful from the classmates and teachers. Number 5 point, leadership and teamwork. Participate in students in competitions and clubs. It can help organize many competitions and events, and many other activities. Work together with the friends, classmates, and solve the problems. Number 6 point, helping maintain to the school environment. Keep the school clean and organized. Take care of school properties, and follow safety rules of schools, and create a new environment. Number 7 point, extra circular activities. Engage in sports, games, and art, and many other activities. Represent in school, landmark, support and encourage education. And number 8 point, peer support and friendship. Friendship help classmates with study and homework. Stand against bullying, promote and individual. Be a good friend and support her other emotionals. And number 9 point, in conclusion, every student have different role. Activities and participation lead to the better school expensive. And remember citizen. And if you have any civilization, and if you have any question, please ask me. So thank you.